What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, girl GraceWorld Beauty. I am really excited to bring to you this tutorial. I've had a lot of people asking me the same question: how to contour. I'm a self-taught, so I learned how to wear makeup through YouTube. So that is why when it comes to all these, I also want you guys to learn. I don't want to keep it all to myself. So that is why I want you guys to just, learn this. So in this tutorial, it will be a very long one. It's gonna be a talk through tutorial. So I hope you're ready. Just go get your pap, get your akamu, get your gari, get your, what else do we eat? Get your soup, eba, with my wet lip. That's what we call it in Nigeria, wet lip. Why they call it here lip gloss. The next thing is you have to go in with your primer. Don't wear makeup without a primer. Primer is very important. So I'm using my baby skin primer. So this primer is matte, so it just gives me a good finish. So I'm going to apply it very little on my T-zone area. I'll be going in with my NARS. This foundation, I don't know, it looks so dark on me. I think I'll look at it. This is the color. I've heard a lot about this NARS foundation, the Natural Radiant. So I'm gonna use it on me today. Ooh, that looks so dark. Side of it. Girl, I'm loving it. And this is the other side. Well, I think I like it. So for the main show is your highlighter. So I'll be going in with my LA Girl Pro Primer, Pro Concealer. This will conceal your face, or you're going to highlight your face. You go for a concealer that is 2 times or 1 time lighter than your skin tone. So I think this one is just like 2 times lighter. So the one that is like very close to my skin tone is Toffee, but I'm gonna use FAWN. And you need to highlight. You highlight your under eye. So my nose, my forehead, go at the cupid bone, okay, go on my chin, is my contour. This is from Real Technique. This brush is from Real Technique by Kiss. This is 3D contour artist cream. It's really good. It's really affordable. It's a drugstore. I got it from my beauty supply. So this is real good. Why I like it is because it has all ranges of colors, like all colors, as you can see. So it has the dark one here. So I'm gonna go and just like I promised, Here will be liquid and here will be powdered. So like, it's really funny how we'll shape our lip. So now the trick is this way. When you're contouring, as you can see here, I am like not going downwards, I am taking a bit upwards. And when it comes to my forehead, I push it into my hair. Okay? I push it right into my hair and blend it out so that you won't be looking all time crazy. You will contouring so you won't make, now you can see the difference between here and here. Here, it's as if I'm having like a lump here, but here, you see, it's already showing, already it's contoured, so it looks kind of chiseled. I don't know. I go in with this one, this particular color here from Juvia's Place. Both places with my Sacha buttercup powder. So I'm gonna set. Girl, I don't bake my face. I hate baking. Baking my baking. Shine Free Loose Powder, Maybelline. Girl, you look like what? I don't know. Trust the process. So I'm gonna go in with this powder, you know, watch tons. MAC Studio this is my bronzer, IMAN powder. IMAN in the shade FAWN. I'm gonna use it to warm up the whole face. No difference between this and this. You see, powdered, liquid. So I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm using, this is where I love so much to cut down this, you know, to give you that some, like, I would, if you're a first timer, you can leave it this way. But for we makeup artists, we go extra mile. So So for the blush, I'm going for the Nikak blush. 4 blushes. It's matte blush. They said it's CBMO3. So this blushes, as you can see, this blushes. This is I don't know. I normally, this is the color I use. I love this color, and a bit of the, so when you smile, you can see that glow. Girl, I love glowing. I don't know if someone else glows like me. So I'm gonna, first of all, yeah, glow. I'm gonna glow. So I'm using this So this is the rose gold. It's rose gold color. It has more blush in it, but girl, no harm in using more blushes, having more blushes. Oh goodness, can you see that glow? It glowing. Glow, glow. So I'd be like, why is this lady not cleaning up her nose? Girl, I have my reasons. My nose is the first place. Okay, my nose is the first part of my body that just develops oil. Develops oil. My nose is the first part of my body that just wants to disgrace itself. So that is why I let it bake, because there is no harm in baking my nose. There is no harm at all. Girl, there's no. As you can see, I'm still taking from the lid. I'm not even taking this shine you're seeing here. None of them is coming from the container. They're all coming from the lid. Oh, girl. L'Oreal. Oh yeah. L'Oreal Paris is glowing me up. So you're just gonna glow, and then let's glow. Oh yeah, let's glow. Glow. So where I'm applying is the highest point of my cheek bones, my nose, my forehead. Basically, I would say where I use concealer on, where I highlighted. So that is where I'm applying this highlighter. So, you know, because you want the light to hit it, and as the light is hitting it, you know, you just have that pam, and that's it. Like, I'm looking flawless, so flawless right now. Taking from the lid, so I'm gonna highlight my brow bone.
See we don't die, no we don't go do. Listen to the time, make you don't go do. But my body getting plans, make you don't go do. So make you don't go do. Put a smile up on your face, on your face, on your face. Wipe your tears, it go away, go away, go away. Cause this year, do one for you. I see do one for me. You get the free and you see the fine job. You never marry and you see the fine love. Contain a land but you market no the same. My brother calm down. This year, you go do one for you.
Guys, this is the finished look. Prefer to use the powder. Which do you prefer? Do you prefer the powdered or the liquid? Please put your answer in the description box below. You love what I'm doing, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give your girl that subscribe button. Let's just go there. Join the beauty squad. If you are watching this video and the button right close to that place is very red, girl, what are you doing? What is there? Just touch that button and just touch another button that is the bell, and that is it. Nothing more, you know, nothing more for your girl. Just do it for me, okay? Keep watching my tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Bye. Mwah.